In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Google spreadsheets with Cloud AI using a chained tool called CellMind. CellMind has been built and is hosted on GitHub. So what is it doing? It's technically connecting your Google Sheets setup with OpenAI. You can build a chain of tasks to do with a given file, and when you do that, you will get the output. So pretty much you can automate some of your analytics workflow, for example. So I have here now a fresh sheet that's coming from Google, and the idea is, for example, here I have like some Google Ads insights that I want to use. So first of all, I have to install the library. And to install the library, I just visit the library page. Copy everything. How can this? Yeah. So I go down, copy everything like this. That's cool. And I go to script.google.com and create a new project. So this is all your own responsibility. We cannot take any liability or anything else. But other than that, take it as it is and get the best out of it. So, for example, so the library will be called CellMind library. I rename the project to this. And also I will create now a deployment and say it's a library. It's going to be version 1.0. Depending on your security setup, you probably want to share this to your whole company, like I'm doing it right now. And now, next up, we need the connection to the client. So to get the connection to the client, we have the other script here. This second script is used to get everything out here. Yeah. And I'm taking everything that we have here, copy it, and go here to my Google Sheets and go to the app script. So this time I'm coming from Google App Script, and this is the client now. So this is the client code. Let's leave it as client code. That's fine. So what's next? Now I have to connect the library here. So I have to get the exact ID of my project. That's this one here. And I move it over to make it found. And I will take let's take it depends which one you want, development mode, so the most recent one or the first version. I'll take this one. So now it's connected both. We can make it run also. That's probably a good thing as well. So I try to connect the library to my setup. So now my library is connected with my system, and the same I'm doing here with the client binding. Also run it, and I have to start it again. This can happen sometimes. Okay, now that worked as well. So the library is initialized, that's important. So now I have inside my Google Sheets the CellMind extension, and I can now configure the API key. So please do that. Go to your Anthropic profile, get the API key and put it here. I will do it after, I will continue the video after I clicked the enter button successfully. Okay, I clicked the key successfully, so I can click OK. And now the connection has been done. So now I can go and make the first task. For example, I can say process a given task. For example, I give it a task and say, find the best keyword from the top 20. Best 5 keywords from the top 20. Now I will give it a range. In my case, it's A to Z because the sheet is pretty big, and I give it to the 20 row. So this will hand over all the data, and it allows OpenAI to look, Claude to pull the data and process everything. And let's see what it did. So it gives me some feedback about the top keywords. So I'm happy with that, but now I want to have an SEO strategy. So it's not enough for me to just have the first basic information. I want to have more. So I go here and say, make a prompt chain. So now it asks me, okay, do you already have a template or not? Depending on your template or not having a template, you select either yes or no. In my case, probably we want to do it like we make, like the following. We say, okay, we want to have a template, create a template. Okay, so the template has been created now, and I can have as many tasks as I want to have here. So I'm happy with the example. So you can go through it in detail, what it has to do or what it can do. But in my case, I just delete the template data here, leave it as it is, and say, okay, what's going on here? And I say, okay, go and run the chain. And what it's doing now is it's starting up the script again. And I can tell it, okay, no, I want to execute the current chain. Yeah, I have 4 prompts. And it starts to work on those prompts now and feeds me back the data that I want. I can do this more verbose, more in detail, but that's pretty much it, what it can do. And yeah, I'm excited to hear from you. Feel free to comment and review everything, share it, build upon the current project as well. So yeah, tell me what you do with it. Have a great day. One more thing. It's the following. We will just wait until it's processed, and then we see the results. So the chain has been completed, and now I can go, and it tells me here are the results. So let's look into it. So this is the result that I got now, and it explains me in detail what are the trends, what it would suggest to do, how we can build upon this more in detail. Yeah, and here is in the end an executive summary how we can use this. We can do it in a different form, we can process it in a different way, but that's pretty much it. Yeah, I'm looking forward. Follow me for more on my GitHub profile and on my different platforms like X and Instagram. Yeah, and I'm looking forward to hear from you, and give me a like and subscribe if you like it.